Pleasant morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra. I'm here to present you about an healthcare diagnosis and object detection of using your computer vision. As the computer vision is a rapid growing technology that is set to revolution the healthcare, the technology leverages a powerful artificial intelligence algorithm with optimal sensors and camera. As a result, the computer visions can help the doctors and the medical professionals quickly identify the disease, provides an accurate diagnosis, offers a personalized treatment for the patient, monitor the meditation uses, and even predict health outcomes. We can have a we can have a healthy discussions about deep learning with the computer visions in healthcare domains and privacy and security requirements and the basic thing which we have used on the computer visions platforms. The deep learning is, as we state about, is a computer vision that has been drastically raised in the popularity in the past years. And the deep learning trends are driven by increases in the computational powers like GPU, parallelized computers, privacy privileging edge artificial intelligence, on device preprocessing, and more accurate framework to train the models with unautomated data. As the basic impact of this is all about, the deep learning brought a striking advances in computer vision that aims to make a computer understands the visual data. In traditional machine learning, the domain expertise, the human engineering to design the feature extractors were needed to create a learning algorithms able to detect patterns in data. In contrast, deep learning is a form of representation learning composed of the multiple sequential arranged layers of representation. The machine learning is a mission is where it feeds with the raw data and develops a representation needed for the pattern recognitions. With the deep learning methods and high complex functions that can learn from accuracy achieves a high accuracy in image recognitions. The computer visions in healthcare is where the object deductions of the computer vision focus on image and the video understanding. It involves such as object detections, image classifications and segmentations. The medical imaging can greatly benefit from the recent advance in image classifications and object detections. And as this convolution neural networks has achieved a human level performance in object classification task in which the neural network learns to classify the object contained an image. These convolutional neural networks have demonstrated a strong performance in transport the learning in which CNN is initially trained on a large data sets that is unrelated to the task of interest and future fine-tuned on the smaller data sets related to the task of the interest, and where we have a privacy of this computer visions in the in the localizations and the classifications of the data where it looks for the healthcare providers to implement the computer visions, and all the stakeholders have to understand the basic things in the computer visions. And further we can have the many patients where rehabilitability with an understandings of illness towards compared to the object detections, and we can have some robotic surgery assistance systems which are also a rapidly developing technologies used to increase an accuracy and safety to minimize invention surgicals and so on. The non-maximizing suppressions where the AI which and the computer visions which is used for automated monitoring of this healthcare outcomes. The intelligent system is also monitor and tracks the different health outcomes, and the camera based AI technology where the object detection models may generally multiples or overlapping bounding boxes from the same object. Post processing helps with the non maximizing suppressions and so on. As we also state about the object classifications which is there on the main object classifications which is mainly focused on the AI, where the people with the lower visions or the blind sees can experience and world among them which are not possible to have the visions of the people with object classifications. And as a whole, I can state that it helps to predict the bounding boxes of the bounding boxes which is there on the means bounding boxes and the object deductions which we need to try out with and softmax classifiers and so on. And I can also state about the basic object detections in the computer visions. In the computer visions of the object detections is all about the object detections is just a computer vision techniques for localizing the insistence of the object in images or the video. The object detections algorithm typically leverages a machine learning or the deep learning to produce a meaningful results. And we can also implement all the things by using a MATLABs or simulation links which is used over there. So the object detections has an enormous applications and which is also used for an image retrievals, augmented realities and driving and surveillance. The recent advancement in the deep learning which has a base drastic improvements in the object detection performance and which is a key technologies in the field of computer visions and so on. I hope you're clear with this basic concept of this image healthcare domain classifications in the object detections. Thank you one and all.